आज की इस वीडियो में आपके सामने है बीटा पब्लिकेशन बुक के चैप्टर द पेडिस्ट्रियन के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स और साथ में इसके मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन भी। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है व्हाट डज लियोनार्ड मीड लव टू डू। लियोनार्ड मीड को क्या करना पसंद था? आंसर वॉकिंग बाय नाइट और डे। सेकेंड, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज रिफ्लेक्टेड बाय द स्टेटमेंट दैट लियोनार्ड मीड वॉज एज गुड एज अ लोन। आंसर है ही वॉज नॉन कन्फर्मिस्ट। Identify the figure of speech in the given line. Answer simile. What does the author want to convey by referring to the people in their house as grey phantom? ऑथर यहाँ पर क्या कहना चाहते हैं जब उन्होंने घर के लोगों को ग्रे फैंटम कहा, भूत कहा? क्योंकि आंसर है दे आर लाइफलेस। Why did Mead start wearing sneakers instead of hard heel on his walk? यहाँ पर आंसर आएगा ऑल ऑफ द अबाउ। जो भी ऑप्शन आपके इससे ऊपर हैं वो सभी सही है, इसलिए इसमें लास्ट ऑप्शन है ऑल ऑफ द अबाउ, उस पर आपको टिक लगाना है। नेक्स्ट में क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में फिर से फिगर ऑफ स्पीच पूछा गया है, तो इसमें भी सिमिली है। सेवन्थ है आइडेंटिफाई द टाइप ऑफ इमेजनरी यूज इन द फेस स्मेलिंग इट्स रस्टी स्मेल। आंसर है ऑल फैक्ट्री इमेजनरी। What is suggested about Mead by comparing him to a hawk? Answer free and independent. Question number 9. Which of the following is the main theme of the story? The pedestrian. Answer is dehumanization effect of technology on men. Question number 10. Why was there only one police car? Answer है the crime rate was low and there was no need for police. 11th question. Why was Leonard take away to the psychiatric center? Answer है to cure him of his regressive tendencies. 12th में आंसर आएगा both A and B. 13th पर how was Mead's house different from the other citizens? Answer it was totally cut off from the outside world. 14th में ऑप्शन नंबर ये करेक्ट है 3, 4, 1, 2। 15th में आंसर है 1 इज अ कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन ऑफ 2। पैसेज के फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं। व्हाट वाज द कंप्लीट साइलेंस वाई वॉज देयर कंप्लीट साइलेंस ऑन द सिटी स्ट्रीट एट 8 o'clock इन द इवनिंग? हु वाज द लोन ट्रेवलर हु एंटर इनटू द दैट साइलेंस? वाई वॉज ही देयर एट दैट टाइम? यहाँ पूछा गया है कि रात के समय 8 बजे सॉरी शाम के समय 8 बजे सड़कों पर इतना सन्नाटा क्यों था? कौन था जो अकेला ट्रैवलर, कौन से अकेला यात्री वहाँ ट्रैवल कर रहा था ऐसी सुनसान जगह पर, और वो वहाँ पर कर क्यों रहा था, मतलब वो कर क्या रहा था वहाँ पे? आंसर है देयर वॉज कंप्लीट साइलेंस ऑन द सिटी स्ट्रीट एट 8 o'clock इन द इवनिंग बिकॉज एवरीवन वाज इनसाइड देयर होम प्रोबेबली वॉचिंग टीवी. लियोनार्ड बीड वाज द ओनली पर्सन आउटसाइड एंजॉइंग द क्वाइटनेस. ही वाज आउट वॉकिंग बिकॉज ही लव टू डू सो. ठीक है, बता 8 बजे शाम के समय सन्नाटा इसलिए था क्योंकि सभी लोग अपने घरों में टीवी देख रहे थे और लियोनार्ड बीड ही वो अकेले पर्सन थे जो बाहर घूम रहे थे और उन्हें बाहर घूमना टहलना पसंद था. Second, who was Leonard Mead? Why did he love dearly? For long he had been pursuing what he loved dearly. Leonard Mead was a writer. He would love to walk through the silent, empty street at night. He had been doing this for many years. Question 3. What is the mean by it really made no difference? What is suggest about Leonard Mead by this sentence? Answer है it really made no difference. Mean it did not matter which was Leonard Mead walk because the street was empty and he had no specific destination. This shows he enjoyed walking for the sake of walking and did not care where he went. Question number 4. Why he is described as alone in the world of AD 2053? He is described as alone in the world of AD 2053 because the streets were empty and he was only walking outside while everyone else was inside. This show he was different from other and enjoyed being alone. Question 5. What is suggested by the phase final decision made and the path selected? Answer है the phase final decision made and path selected suggested that Leonard Mead was thoughtful and intentional about his work. They saw that he found enjoyment and purpose in choosing a path, walking it, even though it did not really matter for which he went. Passage second. Question number 1. Why does Mead make a deliberate attempt not to produce any sound while walking? Mead try not to make any sound while walking so he does not attract attention. Noise could cause dog to bark and people to look out their windows. Second question. Why does Leonard Mead start wearing sneakers instead of hard heel while strolling at night? Answer है Leonard Mead start wearing sneakers instead of hard heel to avoid making noise. Hard heel make loud sound on the sidewalk which could alert dog and people. Third question. What is suggested by Mead act of wearing sneaker? Answer. Mead act of wearing sneakers suggests that he is considerate and mindful of other. He does not want to disturb the peace and quiet of the night or cause any unnecessary commotion. Fourth question. Why is described as a lone figure who would get startled by his walk at night? Why? Answer. He is called as a lone figure because he is the only person walking outside at night. People would be startled by walk at his night, and it is unusual for someone to be out walking, and the noise of his footsteps would catch their attention. Explain briefly the characteristic traits of Leonard Mead as they reflected in the extract. Answer. This extract shows that Leonard Mead is thoughtful and enjoy being alone. He take care not to disturb others and prefer to walk quietly at night. It also suggests that he is different from others as he enjoy walking while most people stay inside. Passage 3, question number 1. What does Mead think about the murmur of laughter? What does it suggest about his connected with other people? Answer. M. Mead think he hear laughter, but then he does not hear anything anymore. This shows he is not used to hearing other people and feel disconnected from them. Second question. Why does he stumble while walking? What does cement washing suggest? Answer. He stumbled because the sidewalk is uneven and overgrown with flower and grass. Cement was vanishing suggests that the nature is reclaiming the man-made structure, showing neglect and a lack of maintenance. Question 3. Why was he not encountered another person on the road in the 10 years of his solitary walk? What does it suggest? Mead has not encountered another person on the road in the 10 years because people no longer walk outside. This suggests that society has become isolated with everyone staying indoor. Question number 4. What does this extract reveal the dormant potential of nature? Answer है this extract so that nature taking over the city, the overgrown sidewalk indicating that without human activity, nature can reclaim urban spaces. Question number 5. Explain briefly the theme of non-conformity as present in the story. Answer. Mead is different from everyone else is because he likes to walk outside while everyone else stay inside. This shows he does not follow the crowd and values his individuality. Passage 4, question number 1. Where was Mead when he saw a lone car? What was the lone car is actually? Mead was near his home when he saw the lone car. The lone car was actually a police car. Next have straight to figure of speech used in the given extract. The answer है to figure of speech use are simile, not unlike a night moth or metaphor. Third question. How did Mead react to the light flashes on him by the car? Answer. Mead stood still and was stunned by the light. He was drawn towards it much like a moth to light. What is suggested by Mead comparison with moth? Comparing Mead to a moth suggests that he was helpless and attracted to the light despite the danger, indicating his vulnerability. Fifth question. How does this extract convey the feeling of fear and foreboding? This extract conveys fear and foreboding through the sudden appearance of the car and the harsh light and the authoritative metallic voice commanding Mead to stay still. Question number one. Why did the voice from the police car speak in a metallic whisper? Why could not Mead see the man in the car? Answer है the voice from the police car sounded metallic to show that it was not a real person speaking. Mead could see anyone in the car because the bright light was too strong. Second question, why was there only one car? What did it suggest about the people of the city? Answer है there was only one police car because crime had gone down a lot. This suggests that people really went outside, likely because they were always watching TV. Third question, what was Mead profession? Why did the police car describe it as no profession? Answer है Mead was a writer. The police car said it was no profession because writing was not valued or needed anymore. Explain briefly the simile in the extract. The simile, the light held him fixed like a museum specimen, needle thrust through chest means Mead felt trapped and helpless like an insect pinned in a display case. Question number 5 answer. Mead had not written anything for years because society did not care about writing anymore. This shows that Mead is a persistent and different from others, still seeing himself as a writer even though no one else does.